Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. So this is question 2346, compute the rank as a percentage. So basically you are given students, departments, and marks as three columns, and you want to return for the student IDs, their matching department IDs, and most importantly, the percentage, which is calculated by this formula and should be rounded to 2 decimal places. So this is going to be calculated by the student rank in the department, which is basically just, if you look at the score, the highest scorer is number 1. And again, if two students have the same mark, like 2 and 8 for department 2, then they're both number 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's first go ahead and gather all of the department IDs and their marks so we can rank the students. So for DID, and enumerate students, department ID. So the department ID is the key, and we're going to append the actual mark, which we're going to call a score. And then what we want to do, because we want to rank the students, let's go ahead and sort it after we add every single one. Okay, so now if we print the dictionary, we have the keys, the unique keys of the dictionary as the department ID, and then all the scores. So that's going to allow us to calculate the rank because these are sorted from smallest to greatest, left to right. And now let's go ahead and also loop through the students so we can line them up with the department IDs and find where they rank. So for SID, and enumerate students ID. So this time the student score is students mark of I, right? Along the same column, student 2, 650, 7, 920. And now what we want to do is find where they rank. Again, because 650 is the first score and there are two of them, instead of using a binary search on the leftmost, let's try to find the rightmost index of this particular number, the score. So let's call this now is just going to be D of the department ID, which is that student's department. So for student ID 2, it's department 2. So students department ID of I. So we have to look in the now section. And what we want to do is run a bisect right. It's going to find the rightmost index inside of this now list that's already sorted for the score. So let's go ahead and print BR, and let's also print the student ID. And let's also print all the scores of everyone in that department. So for 2 would be 2, and this would be the actual department ID, or the student rank in the department is this number. So we basically just want to figure out what we want, which is basically in this case the size minus the score, because that's how many people they were better than. Okay, so basically the rank is just going to be BR, or length of now, minus BR. And if we print rank and the student ID, so 2 is not rank 0, so we also have to do a +1. So 2 is ranked 1, 3 is ranked 3, 1 is ranked 2, 8 is ranked 1, 2 is ranked 1. Cool. So now we can apply this formula, which is called the percentage, where the rank as a percentage is computed. So we take our rank, minus 1, multiply 100, divide by the number of students in the department, minus 1. So the size, let's just call this length of now, minus 1, divided by, so the percentage is the rank, minus 1, times 100, divided by the size. And let's print the percentage and the student ID and the department ID. So that should line up with what we see, which it does. So now we just have to gather the results. Last but not least, let's make sure this percentage is also rounded to 2 decimal places, as it says in bold right there. So now we just have to append the student ID, the department ID, and the percentage, and then just return a data frame. Gather the 3 columns, student ID as A, department ID as B, percentage as C. Loop through answer, basically fill the entire grid. And then set the student ID column to A, set the department ID column to B, and set the percentage column to C, and then return that data frame object. Okay, so let's run this. Division by 0. So that's an edge case because if the size can't have 0 people, so if size is equal to 0, let's just say there's actually just 1 person there. So that should make sense. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So basically we want to loop through results instead of answer. Okay, so let's submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.